The LRT 1.2 is an e-bike lockring tool that removes and installs the front chainring lockrings found on Bosch Gen 2 and DJI Avinox e-bike motors. To remove your lockring, first you'll need a 3/8" drive tool to drive the LRT 1.2. With your drive side crank arm removed, engage the LRT 1.2 on the lockring. If working on a DJI Avinox motor, hold the non-drive side crank arm and turn the LRT 1.2 counterclockwise to loosen the chainring lockring. For Bosch Gen 2 motors, hold your bike's rear wheel and turn the LRT 1.2 clockwise to loosen. For installation, on DJI Avinox motors, begin by threading the lockring on clockwise onto the motor. Then, while holding the bike's rear wheel, use the LRT 1.2 and a 3/8" drive torque wrench to torque the lockring to manufacturer specified torque. For Bosch Gen 2 motors, thread the lockring on counterclockwise and bring to manufacturer specified torque while holding on to the non-drive side crank arm. The LRT 1.2 from Park Tool.